Cromwell Handy, Cromwell, Handy, Handy.
And can you state your leadership position?
Yes, I'm Director for Alumni Relations here at Alabama State University. Director of Alumni Relations at Alabama State University.
Okay. As the director of alumni relations, can you take me through your day-to-day tasks?
Well, that's a very difficult question, being that as Alumni Relations Director, my day can vary depending on what's going on that particular day, depending on what projects taking place. But basically, our primary responsibility here is to make sure that we stay connected to our alumni across the country. So I can have a day of fielding phone calls from alumni across the country pertaining to a variety of different things. But day to day, project management as it relates to, for example, we just had the Founders Day event. So that's the project that we're working on, as well as Turkey Day Classic, Labor Day Classic. So the average day, I would say, would be spent, probably a good percentage of it is communicating with alumni anywhere in the country. And as well, we will be actively involved with the National Alumni Association, which is an association which affiliated with Alabama State University. They have their own president, they have their own officers, and from time to time we spend time with them, assisting them, making sure that they have all the necessary information such as alumni data that goes out to them to make sure that they have the opportunity to reach out to our alumni and get them actively involved in the NAA. So I wouldn't say it's a difficult question to answer. It's a difficult thing to gauge as it relates to day by day. But our primary responsibility is to be liaison between Alabama State University and the National Alumni Association and alumni nationwide. That's the role of the Office for Alumni Relations.
Okay. How long have you held the position as director of alumni relations?
Been director for alumni relations here since 2010. That makes it about a little over 8 years.
Okay. So through the 8 years, what do you love and hate about being the director?
Well, I don't have anything I hate about it. In fact, I enjoy it because I'm kind of a people person. Oftentimes it gets challenging sometimes when different alum have different issues and concerns and have different needs and wants from our office, and sometimes it kind of jams all up together, and it makes it difficult for us to respond to them as quickly as we would like. But the thing I enjoy most about it is being able to interact with our alumni, learning more about our alumni across the country, because we have alumni doing everything from doctors to lawyers to teachers to physical therapists to athletes to those who are in theater and music. So I enjoy that more than anything, learning more about how successful our alumni are across the nation. What's not so much fun sometimes is sometimes the requests for a variety of things can get to be overwhelming at times, but we also know it's a fun, it's a labor of love. So we don't have anything we don't like, at least I hate about doing this job. Sometimes it just gets a little bit more challenging than others. But I've had a lot more fun than I have anything to hate.
Okay. What made you want to take on this position?
Well, again, I'm a relationship person. I believe in people. I'm a people person as it relates to just getting out and trying to inspire people to be supportive of ASU. One of the big reasons why I enjoy this job is because it is my inspiration is believing in what I'm talking about. I believe in Alabama State University from the standpoint of the product that it produces. I was a 1980 graduate. Both of my daughters finished here at Alabama State, graduating. One is an actress and the other one is an attorney. And of course my wife, even though she went down the highway to Tuskegee for undergrad, but she also received her graduate degree here at Alabama State University, as well as my mother and my father, who met on this campus. When we start talking about my inspiration is tied to what I believe in. I believe in God first, family, then ASU.
If you could expand your leadership role on campus, what would you do?
Well, I would try to make sure that alumni are actively involved in every facet of the university. One of the things that I dream to do and would desire to do is to make sure that we always have alumni coming back to talk to our students and exposing to our students so the students can see what they could be and see the direction they need to take in order to get where they want to be. And again, we have alumni in every area of vocation or business in this country.
Okay, thank you.
You're so welcome.